This article contains affiliate links. We will receive a commission on any sales we generate from it. Learn more. It's been 59 years since the release of In Harm's Way, one of the last black and white World War II epics and John Wayne's final film not in color. Duke starred as Captain Rockwell Torrey opposite Kirk Douglas and Patricia Neal, in the blockbuster that featured Henry Fonda in a lengthy cameo. Directed by Otto Preminger, the movie followed U.S. naval officers based in Hawaii, from the night before Pearl Harbor through the following year of the Second World War. This was the first of 3 movies that co-starred Wayne and Douglas, also cast a giant shadow and the War Wagon, who got along professionally despite their polarizing political affiliations. Yet Duke's low-key performance in the film turned out to be because he was very ill with lung cancer. By the end of filming on In Harm's Way, it was so bad that Wayne was coughing up blood on set. Yet despite this, the heavy-smoking Hollywood star would continue to puff away on his 6 packs of cigarettes a day. Shortly after the shoot concluded in September 1964, Duke was diagnosed with lung cancer and a month later had his entire left lung and 2 ribs removed. Following the news, Wayne had told Douglas he could play his role of Eddington in The Sons of Katie Elder, his next picture co-starring Dean Martin. Subscribe to Disney Plus now. £7.99 per month from £4.99 per month. View deal. Disney fans can subscribe to Disney Plus and save some money on the way. By paying for a year up front, you can get 12 months for the price of 10, bringing its costs down to just £6.65 per month, down from £7.99. Or grab a monthly subscription with ads for just £4.99. Click here to subscribe to Disney Plus now. However, director Henry Hathaway insisted on Duke for the role and the film's shoot was postponed to start in January 1965. Just 4 months after surgery, the 57-year-old was doing some of his own stunts even though he was heavily reliant on an oxygen mask. Nevertheless, the tenacious star battled on for over another decade of movies and lived until 1979 when he died of stomach cancer.